everybody, and welcome back to Diva Style. So in this video I'm going to be showing you the designs and stuff that I came up with for these Barbie socks. You guys, this was a request. If you guys would like to see me create any other, theme or type of socks, just let me know down in the comment section. I love, coming up with ideas and being creative. So this is the little collage that I came up with for this Barbie sock, you guys. I think it's going to be awesome. I'm going to do a set. And I got all my images came from Google. If anybody's wondering, I get all my images from Google. So I wanted to show you guys the size that this is. I'm not going off of that one. I'm going off of this one. This is the one I did last time. So it's going to be 9 inches in height by 3.5 inches in width. Okay, so let's make sure we got that. And the width, 3.5. Okay, we got it. And all I'm going to do is go to shape format, shape fill. I'm going to go down to picture because I already saved a picture of the image that I want. Like I said, I'm going to be making a set. So I'm going to do 2 pairs of socks. No outline. So this is going to be the second pair. Now, I do want like a little colored toe. Like, I don't know. I just love socks with the little colored toe. So I am going to add this on here at the end. Come on over here. Bam. Let me get rid of the outline. And then just to make sure that this color matches this exactly, I'm just going to click on it, go to shape fill, and I'm actually going to go to this little dauber right here. And then I'm not sure if I want to do the, I'm going to do the bright. Okay, yeah, I like how that looks. Make it just a little bit bigger. Okay, yeah, that's good. Now I'm just going to group them together. And then when we are sublimating, we always want to rotate and flip the image. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to first save this as a picture and then flip the image. Barbie pic, who knows? Okay, so let's go to insert pictures. Barbie pic. And now let's rotate it. Okay, thank you. Alright, so now all I'm going to do is go ahead and print this out, and then I will see you guys really soon. Alright, you guys, I got my heat press warmed up to 400. And I've got it set on 60-second intervals. I've got my heat tape. Got my heat tape ready. My gloves that's supposed to help with the heat. Here are my images. Right here. And they do look dull. That is perfectly normal with sublimation. Your pictures, the color will not be vibrant at all. The vibrancy comes after you press it, with the heat. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead, cut these out, and get the socks loaded up. Alright, you guys, so let's see how these socks turned out. Okay, it's done cooled down. I'm so anxious to see. Let's cut this tape off. I'll just cut in the middle. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. That came out so good. And like I said, I love like the little the colored toe. I don't know why, but I just do. I just love it. Look at that. super cute. Love that one. And like I said, these are going to be I'll do these in a set on the website. Oh, well, that just slid off. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Y'all, now that is unique. That is unique. That is one of a kind. I love it. That's a nice set. Holla at your girl for real. Look at that. Okay, anywho. Yes, I would love to hear from you guys. Also, if you have any, requests or designs you'd like to see me do, like I said, always feel free to put it in the comments. Oh my gosh, y'all, that coffee tastes so good. Okay. Yeah, if you have any questions at all, something that you need me to go over more in detail, just let me know, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.